Trump's legal challenges persist as judges reject bid to dismiss 2 cases. Hello and welcome back to the News Media Hands channel. Former President Trump's legal troubles showed no ease on Thursday in Florida and Georgia as judges rejected his motions to dismiss in both cases. Let's dive deeper into this and uncover the potential impact on his criminal trials. As always, remember that we value your comments and feedback, and your subscriptions help grow the channel. Thank you for your support, and let's get started. Former President Donald Trump faced significant legal setbacks on Thursday as judges in 2 separate cases rejected his attempts to have the charges against him dismissed. The rulings dealt blows to Trump's efforts to derail criminal prosecutions in both the Georgia election interference case and the federal classified documents case. The judges in both cases have not yet decided on other requests made by Trump to dismiss the Georgia and federal prosecutions. These cases were brought by Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis and Special Counsel Jack Smith, respectively. However, the possibility of the cases eventually going before juries still remains, and a trial in a third criminal prosecution against Trump, the 2016 campaign hush money case brought in New York, is expected to begin this month. Georgia judge denies Trump's First Amendment defense in election meddling case. In the Georgia case, Fulton County Superior Court Judge Scott McAfee rejected Trump's argument that his alleged efforts to overturn the 2020 election were protected under the First Amendment. McAfee's order indicated that the speech and conduct alleged against Trump were not considered protected political speech, clearing the path for the state racketeering case to move forward. The defense has not presented, nor is the court able to find, any authority that the speech and conduct alleged is protected political speech, Judge McAfee wrote in his order. McAfee has refused to drop the indictment despite the free speech defense repeatedly failing to succeed in pretrial wrangling in election meddling cases. After interpreting the indictment's language liberally in favor of the state as required at this pretrial stage, the court finds that the defendant's expressions and speech are alleged to have been made in furtherance of criminal activity and constitute false statements knowingly and willfully made in matters within a government agency's jurisdiction which threatens to deceive and harm the government, Scott McAfee wrote in his order on Thursday. Judge denies Trump's motion to dismiss classified documents case. In the federal classified documents case proceeding in South Florida, U.S. District Judge Aileen Cannon denied Trump's motion to dismiss charges based on his assertion of authority to retain classified documents after leaving the White House. Cannon's order emphasized that the indictment against Trump did not reference the Presidential Records Act, a law Trump invoked in his defense. In short, the judge appointed by Trump did not dismiss charges against him. Trump's attorneys claimed that he was protected under the Presidential Records Act, but the judge did not express her opinion on this argument. However, she stated that the legal standard to dismiss the charges was not met by Trump's attorneys. This means that Trump may still use this argument to defend himself during trial or other pretrial proceedings. She wrote that Jack Smith prosecutors make no reference to the Presidential Records Act in the indictment against Trump and did not rely on the statute to bring charges. Smith already opposed this claim as meritless in the indictments faced by Trump. Judge Aileen Cannon used this order to reject a request by the special counsel to make a final ruling on whether a theory could be included in the jury instructions of an eventual trial. The prosecutors wanted to appeal such a ruling to the 11th Circuit. In response, the judge issued an order pushing back on the unprecedented and unjust demand. The decisions signal a setback for Trump's legal strategy, which has relied heavily on delaying proceedings and asserting immunity claims. Trump has pleaded not guilty in all 4 criminal cases brought against him, including the hush money case in New York and the federal election subversion case in Washington, D.C. Despite the setbacks, Trump's legal battles are far from over, with pending motions and unresolved issues in both cases. Prosecutors in the Georgia election subversion case have suggested they could be ready for trial as soon as August, while Trump's lawyers continue to explore their options in response to the rulings. Trump's ongoing legal challenges have heightened anticipation around the potential impact on his political future, particularly as the November presidential election approaches. The Hans geniuses, while the cases continue to unfold in the courts, what outcome do you anticipate as significant implications for Trump's standing and influence in the political arena? Thanks for watching. If you like it, comment and hit the like and share buttons. Subscribe for future videos.